All right, so today we're gonna go over quadratics by taking square roots. And so what that is just you're gonna have a quadratic. So remember that the standard form of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. And in the past, we've factored this form using the generic rectangle. And then you set each of the factors of this form, you set equals to 0, and then you find the zeros, and then you plot them, and then you find your parabola, and things like that, right? Well, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna still find these two zeros, but we're gonna see a different form that the expression, the equation takes form. Okay, so you'll have 3x squared plus 4 equals to 436. So in this case, you still want to find the x squared, or the x's, the roots. And so instead of factoring, we're gonna take the square root. So what we would do in this case is we would subtract 4 to both sides. So minus 4 minus 4, positive 4 minus 4 gives you 0. So then we have 3x squared, we bring this down, and then 0, so we don't write anything, equals to 432. And then since we know that 3 is multiplying x squared, we do the opposite, which is division. We divide both sides by 3. This cancels and it becomes a giant 1, so we have x squared equals 144. And so now we take the square root. Now square root of x squared equals plus or minus the square root of 144. And in this case, this cancels, so we have x equals, and then we get x equals 12, or x equals to negative 12. So now let me remind you that I know it's 12 because 12 times 12 is 144. And then I also know that negative 12 times negative 12 is equals to positive 144. So both of them give me the same result. So that's why I know that x equals 12, or, and, sorry, shouldn't be or, it should be and x equals negative 12. So in your parabola, your x-axis, you're gonna cross one of the zeros is gonna be at 12, and then the other 0 is gonna be at negative 12. So in this case, the smaller x, this is the smaller x. Smaller x is x equals negative 12, and then bigger is x equals to 12. Okay.